Skywrath, but then again I was Skywrath, so you know.
In me,
Oh, sorry.
don't bottle up.
Don't think he's okay. Oh, while he's dying.
Okay, I'm good.